Hello guys, subscribe to Tech Savvy Omi and press the bell icon for the newest and
Hello guys, this is Tech Savvy Omi. In previous video review has seen the unboxing of Flysky FS-i6 transmitter and receiver. In this video we will bind the RX and TX. For that purpose we will need the variable power supply. In this case I will using the lab bench power supply. Ideally you can use any type of battery or certain charger for that, and the voltage will be depends on which receiver you are using. In my case my receiver supports 4 volt to 8.4 voltage, so I will giving the 5 volt to receiver. First connect the receiver with the 5 volt in any channel. The middle pin is positive and negative pin is last one pin, and connect the first VCC port. After that, power on the transmitter by pressing bind key and power on. You will get the notification of the receiver is RX binding. Then restart the receiver and remove the bind key. You will see the transmitter display showing the receiver has been bind with the transmitter, and on the display you will see the receiver's voltage and the error signals. And again remove the bind key and place the voltage supply to the VCC port of your receiver, and again on the Flysky transmitter you will see the receiver and transmitter automatically bind. And now need to bind your receiver by the previous method again. Thank you for watching videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you.